Do you want to earn 2K for just signing up on a platform? Then this update is for you. So hey guys, welcome back to a new video. This is Sam West and I'll be sharing to you a platform that will pay you 2K for joining, and then if you are going to refer anyone, you will get 15 naira per referral. So first of all, you click on the link in the description box, then you register. You're going to register with your email address, password, and the confirm password. Once done, you click on continue. If it shows any error like registration error occur, just keep on trying. You have to keep on trying before it will work. If the link on the web app didn't work, then you can try the application. So to get the application, check the description box. I put a link to the application. You can try registering with the application. And to ask for your just put in just like your username. Then also referral username, you can put in some words as your referral username, okay? If it keeps on showing that expected error, just keep on clicking till you have reached this point. Once you have reached this point, you put in your phone number and verify captcha and click on continue. Alright guys, so once you are done with that part, so me, my own registration was quite different because it said I clicked too many times. But after we doing it multiple times, it just requested for me. It showed me a verification status, a verification withdrawn. So I just tried logging in again. So you guys, if it showed you a page that verification has been done, just go back and use the same email and username to log in. Then you'll be prompted a email code. That's a email validation code. They will send it to your email. So once they send it to your email, that code, you just type it into the box. Other than a request for your real name, real middle name, real first name, last name, and middle name, then your date of birth. After that, you will be requested. They will request from you your address. So you type in your full address and click on continue. Reach this page. Once you have reached this page, click on continue. It will validate you to take a selfie. So do that and I'll show you this response. Once you have captured your face, it will show you. Click on, then you click on continue. The once you're here, just click on close. Now you are going to need to verify your account. So you're going to select any one of the following. So I'll choose NIN. You put in your NIN number, then you click on proceed. When you put in your NIN, you click on continue, then you'll be asked to put in a 4-digit and create a 4-digit PIN. So you create that, and after that you'll be asked to repeat the same 4-digit. That's to confirm the 4-digit PIN. And after that, then just do that. Then if you happen to miss the verification code like me earlier, they'll give you this prompt. You just copy the verification code you received and you paste it. If you have registered, they will give you an email notification which I will attach soon. Then you see your NG wallet 2,000 naira. You will earn 15 naira if you added a referral code. In my own case, I couldn't add because the platform kept on giving me that error. So once it works through, the referral code was in there. But you can try adding yours so that you get 15 naira, and also the person that refer you get 15 naira. But remember, apart from 15 naira, you get 2,000 naira. And from what I learned, you will be able to withdraw the money this time tomorrow. You'll be able to withdraw it instantly. To be able to withdraw it, that's send it to another account. To be able to withdraw it, that's when it's sent to another account. You have to wait 24 hours. Then once you're here, please click on enter BVN. You're going to put in your BVN for them to validate it. Once you're done adding your BVN to show you get verified to know not access, you just click on get started. This is where they will ask you to redo your face verification again. Then you are going to use that ID. You're going to use that ID. So you click on I'm ready and follow the prompt that follows it. So first of all, you're going to select your country name, Nigeria, ID type, bank verification number. So just give it a moment. Then at this point of time, because BVN doesn't have a photo, you don't need to continue with a photo for the ID. But you're going to be asked to take a photo of yourself, and that photo is not going to be a static photo. They're going to ask you to move your head around. You know, you're bumping and push to skin. So you just continue with that, and then we'll show what we. Hi everyone. So once you have confirmed that you did the ID verification, then you can continue. If not, you can leave it in another time, because as of me, the time of making this video, it didn't go through. So once you are done, you're going to see this message, right? So that means the bonus have been given to you Now you have to wait 24 hours before you can use it. You can actually use it after 24 hours. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you had some more videos like this, please hit on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on notification bell to get notified when we are putting contents like this. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Our WhatsApp group and WhatsApp channel is in the description box. Please try your best to join. Please share or insert updates there. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.